Namaskar, welcome to my channel, Vaishali's Yoganjali. Today we are going to talk about the definition of yoga in Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters and each chapter is one type of a yoga. The names of the chapters are like Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. Okay, so each and every chapter gives something about the yoga, different kinds of yoga. Not only that, when each chapter finishes, there is a line written below, the last line, which is Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre. This means the Bhagavad Gita is an Upanishad. It is also Brahma Vidya. Vidya means knowledge. Knowledge of the Brahman, the Almighty. And it is also Yoga Shastra, the science of yoga. In the second chapter, it is written that Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. The definition of yoga is given as Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. That means yoga is whatever work you do with skill. Skill in action is yoga. Whatever work you do with your own proper awareness, with skill, with lot of knowledge and intelligence, that is called yoga. The second definition in Sankhya Yoga, second chapter, is also given as Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Whatever work you do with a balanced mind and body. Samatvam means balance. Without any anger, without jealousy, greed, without any such kind of negative emotions, is called as yoga. The sixth chapter, Dhyana Yoga, also speaks about yoga, how to do yoga, when to do, what to do, what is the procedure to do meditation, dhyan. Okay, so this is what Bhagavad Gita speaks about yoga. Thank you very much.